Hi, my name is Sean. I am a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A, A2, and jetback pinsetters. Today, we're going to be doing adjustment 31, the turnaround pan adjustment. Do you guys actually call it the turnaround pan, or do you guys just call it the turn pan? Because I've always heard turn pan. Just curiosity. Anyways, so first thing we're going to do is, with the pan in the normal spring urged position, measure the vertical distance between the bottom rear edge of the turn pan to the rear inside edge of the pinwheel. Dimension should be 1 15/16, so almost 2 inches. And if we're looking at this, it's pretty goddamn close. So, I won't need to be moving mine. But, if you need to, then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and bend this tongue ever so carefully. And once you bend it to where you get that 1 15/16, almost 2 inch measurement. I think it's the only adjustment that they tell you, yeah, hey, you can bend it. It's like when they tell you the short link in the turret isn't adjustable. The fuck it ain't. Just some fucking bend that bitch. Gives you a couple inches or so when you straighten that out. Anyways, so yeah, just straighten out that tongue, bend that tongue. Once you bend that tongue, go ahead and check your adjustment again from the edge of the pinwheel to the edge of the turn pan. Should get that 2 inch, basic 2 inch gap. All right, another short adjustment. But I'll tell you what though, out of these short adjustments, that one is probably one of the ones that will cause you the biggest fucking pain, because if that ain't right, and the adjustment that I'm going to be doing later on, the next one, 32, if those two adjustments ain't right, you're gonna have so many headaches. It took us forever to get ours straightened out from some guy that used to work here. It's stupid. So anyways, this is the end of the adjustment. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like sharing the video, that'd be cool. If not, I will see you in the next video. Bye.